Hey guys, it's your girl Khadijah B. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by that title, today's video is going to be me installing a T-part wig featuring the company Sunber Hair. So before we get into this video, make sure that you hit a like for me, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so today's video is sponsored by Sunber Hair. They sent me this wig. So the details for the wig are, it is a 16-inch body wave T-part wig and it's 150% density. It's on Amazon, so the link will be down in the description below. So here I am unboxing everything. It comes with a headband along with a wig cap and of course the wig. Alright, so here is the wig right out of the package. I haven't saw this wig before taking it out of the box. My first thoughts is it's really soft, bouncy, it's pretty. So if you're not familiar with a T-part wig, it looks like it's a frontal or lace. It has a little lace in the front, but it's limited parting to just that part in the middle. So you can't, it's not really versatile like how a 4x4 lace or something like that would be. But T-parts are definitely beginner friendly. It does come with the clips and the adjustable straps for this wig, so very easy to put on. So overall, my first thoughts is I really like it. It was really bouncy, pretty. So yeah, I really liked this wig as my first initial reaction. So putting it on was definitely a different story, which you guys are gonna see next. So let's go ahead and get this wig on my head. Okay y'all, so y'all just watched me struggle to get this wig on my head. I will say this wig cap is a little small for somebody with a bigger sized head like mine. So I did struggle a little bit, and I didn't glue the wig cap down or anything because this was just gonna be a quick install. So you can kind of see my hair a little bit, but that's okay. I was okay with that. So that is why I'm kind of like holding the lace here so you guys can see how it would look if you didn't have to struggle to keep it on your head. Like my head was a little too big for this wig cap. So that's kind of why it's like this, but overall it's really cute. Like the way it laid down, it was really cute. The length, I loved it. It was true to length, which is 16 inches is what the listing says on Amazon. So anyone who has a smaller head will probably love this wig, and I am going to install it with some Got2b glue and cutting the lace with my razor. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of me installing a T-part lace wig. Again, this is by Sunber Hair. The link will be down in the description below if you're interested in trying out this wig. I do want to thank Sunber for sending me this wig to review for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before you go, make sure that you hit a like for me, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next video.